Whoa, what is that delicious thing? Yep, I'm making one. This is Martabak. Come here, little dough. Behave gentle. Look at me. I'm a dough ninja. Lay down in the pan. Eggs, veggies. Let's make some magic. And now, load it up carefully. Fold, fold, fold. Don't escape. Into the oil. And sizzle. Okay, let's cut this crispy monster. Oh, now that looks dangerous, doesn't it? My ghost soul just woke up. Martabak masterpiece. Chef HooLou approved. Time to ride. Watch my other food adventures. Bye-bye. And don't forget to subscribe.